So, haven't done much today. I filled the water, and I had a lot of videos to edit. I had 2 to edit on the new channel, plus the one for today on this channel. And then in the middle of that, I decided I had set an alarm to remind myself to start this lawnmower up today, because it's been here a month, and I try to start them up every month, my mowers. I've never had somebody else's mower sitting around for a month. I told you in a previous video that apparently they have some family problems or something. I don't know what's going on, but so anyway, I started this up just to let it, to exercise a little bit, maybe charge the battery up a little with the ignition, the stator voltage regulator. It's a 30 amp charger, so, and then to get the gas from the carburetor, to get it to cycle through, so it doesn't just sit there and collect water and stagnate. So while I'm editing videos, I'm doing that. Well, Carolyn's doing laundry also, so that means I also got to fill the water in between cycles so it doesn't get too low, because I can't run the well very long to fill it. There's Girly. She's so adorable. So it's better that after every cycle, it fills up the tub and the wash machine, then I just come out and fill it. So I was doing that, and then I thought, while I'm at it, I just will go ahead and start this one up, because the last time it ran was the time that I had to tow that mower over here, and so I started it up, and this thing runs great. And I also had I got a new tachometer, and so to check RPMs on mowers and stuff for this season. I had one. I actually have a tachometer, but I don't like it very much. It's the old style where you put a little white sticker on the side of it, and then you just measure, see how fast it rotates. It's okay, but it's hard to use and doesn't always read every time, so you got to shut it down and put that tape back on there. With this one, just you can hold it right up to the spark plug and it'll tell you what it's reading, or it's got a clip wire, which I would prefer the clip wire. So I started this up, and I ran this a good long time, make sure it got good and hot, because I don't ever get this one very hot, or like I should, because I'm just towing lawnmowers around. It doesn't ever run that much. So I ran it for a good long time, and it ran out of gas. I'll tell you, this thing uses a ton of gas, just a ton. There's red. So it runs out of gas all the time. Now, I don't put a lot of gas in it, admittedly. I should make that clear. And the reason I don't put a lot of gas in it, because it sits around a lot, and I don't want that gas to collect water and get stale. I have that problem with the John Deere also. So with the John Deere, it's a little bit more forgiving than this one is. This one just it turns into water nearly instantly as soon as it sits around for a little while. But I guess the John Deere is a little bit more closed up system. So but I run all the mowers every month, and then the other day I noticed this was getting closer to the ground than I had remembered, and it's just like, wow, that really isn't working. Well, the other day when I had the flat tire on the truck, I came over here and noticed that this tire was flat, so I had to air them up. This one was low. They're fine now, so I sure do like that mower. It's a powerhouse. Anyway, I checked the I was playing with the tachometer. This thing's set correctly. It's supposed to be set anywhere from 3,400 to 3,600, and this one was at 3,480. And they usually set them low at the factory anyways, just so it doesn't burn up the engine. And I'll keep it that way. I don't need a ton of power out of it. I mean, I could get another 100 RPMs out of it and get more power, but I don't need that extra power just towing mowers around. Maybe if I was mowing grass with it, like a field. See, they've gotten really brave here last few days since it's warmed up. They're exploring more of the yard. They went out on the road. Girlie's going out into the woods. Boy, she is so old, but she still tries to be youthful. And then she starts coughing. There she is coughing. And so anyway, I'm doing all three of these things: filling the water, running the lawnmowers, testing that tachometer to make sure I knew how to operate it. The instructions, they come in like a translated language. I mean, it's a Chinese tachometer, so they give you the instructions, but they translate it to English, and you can never understand those. I mean, they're just impossible to understand sometimes, and I couldn't figure out what it was telling me. So I took a picture of the instructions and I gave it to AI and said, do you have any idea what this is telling me? And it was able to decipher it. And I asked it, how were you able to decipher this? And it said, well, it had enough experience. It's seen thousands of different instructions like this, and it has to decipher all these. So it looks at patterns and says, okay, well, based on my experience, this is what it should say. So anyway, it translated it correctly. And then, so I don't know what I was thinking, but I was filling the water, and I went back inside to start editing again. And I didn't shut off the water. So I ran that pump. Fortunately, it wasn't that long. Maybe an extra 5 minutes longer than it should have. But I ran that well nearly dry. I mean, fortunately, we got that 15 gallon an hour pump, or 15 gallon a minute pump. I think they're getting ready to cross the border here. Hey, get back here. Yeah, she got a cough. I think what it was is that she had to wear a collar. She was tied up, and as she was starving, and she tried to break loose, and it broke her esophagus or something, damaged it somehow. So she coughs a lot like that, but her heart is good. It's just she coughs a lot. So anyway, I overfilled the tank. So now I got to check those filters, see if they're dirty. I'll wait until the next time I fill it, because anytime I run that well low, it picks up dirt and sends it to the filter. So we'll just see if I did it, if I clog those filters up. They clog up pretty fast. See what else is going on. There's not a lot going on today. It's been pretty slow. I still got this to work on, but I won't get the parts of this until the 18th. So we still got another 8 days to wait for this one. They shipped it. It's coming postal service, so it might get here earlier. It usually does. And I don't know why they do that. I mean, this is a still saw. It's a very popular saw, so why would they send stuff from the warehouse in St. Louis, but this one they got to send it from who knows where. Anyway, it's all right. I'm sure he's not going to use it this week anyway. It's supposed to rain. I got those leaf blowers returned. I guess they're happy. They didn't complain. What else? Anything else? She's digging and eating something. So, Girlie, the white one, the bigger one, I don't think she's fat. She's old. And I've asked Google many times how to test to see if she's fat. I mean, she might be a bit overweight, but I don't think she's overweight as she looks. She's old. And when they get old like that, their backs start to slump and their stomach muscles aren't as good as they used to be, so everything kind of expands out. So I'm not sure she's fat, but if she is, it's because when she first got here, we had a bag of bones. Somebody, I don't want to explain it. Anyway, somebody gave us a bag of bones. You know, biscuits, dog treats. Well, we don't have any place to store them, so, you know, just set them on the floor, this bag, 50-pound bag. Well, at night she'd get in it all night long and eat those bones. Well, we ran out finally, and we bought other bags just so she could, you know, we can treat them when we want to. But she hasn't gotten this new bag. She's not stealing them anymore. As a matter of fact, Red, the skinnier one, the one laying down, she doesn't like going outside unless she has a bone. So we give her a bone, and then of course we give Girly a bone also. But Girly is storing them out here. She puts them up underneath the house, up underneath the truck. She's hiding them. She doesn't want Red to find them. Well, Red does find some of them, but she's not eating them, and she's not eating them at night anymore either. So I think she might, you know, start losing weight. And with summer coming, what are you eating? Why are you eating dirt? That's nasty. And with summer coming, you know, right now it's warmer temperatures. You just saw her running up the hill, so, you know, that's good. The problem is that coughing. She can't do a lot. You know, she's walking up the hill right now, and what is she doing? She's coughing. But we'll give them a life for as long as we can, and then, you know, when they die. So what we did with Skitty the cat, we gave her a great life, and I'm sure she was absolutely thrilled to be with us. And what are you gonna do? So anyway, I'm gonna jump off here a little early today because I don't have a lot to talk about. So if you click this up next box, take the video over my other channel, and I really would appreciate it. Go check it out. So if I can inspire you, I don't know, just have a lazy day so you can live your dreams. Thanks for watching.